down. Back off the gas and you'll see how it decelerates. Once you're done, get back up to speed. We've got a corner coming up. Use your brakes this time to slow down the car and then turn into the corner smoothly. Keep going through the next set of turns. Try to get a rhythm going. To help you navigate the road ahead, you'll need to listen to my notes. We'll use the 6-to-1 system. A 6 is a fast and sweeping turn, and a 1 is a slow and tight. Right 6, and left 5 over crest. 80 through dip, 80. Left 5, into right 4, and left 3 over crest. Don't cut, into right 5, dip, crest. A couple of other descriptors you might hear are square, hairpin, and acute. For these corners, you may want to use the handbrake. Try it out at the junction coming up. Dip, right 5, crest, turn, hairpin left, bumps, 60. Great! I hope that all makes sense. I'm going to give you route notes for the rest of the stage so that you can get a proper taste of stage rallying. Right 5, long. Caution, crest, jump maybe, right 5. Dip. Bump, bridge, 100 through dip, and crest, jump maybe, 80 over finish. Alright, take her slow to the control. Well done. Everything we need to be cautious of, so just trust me. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Keep left over crest, 60. And right 6. And left 5, 40 through dip. Right 6 over crest, don't cut. Right 6, into left 4 long, opens, keep in, 50, keep a crest. 110 over bumps, 60, right 5, don't cut, and right 4, don't cut, 100, left 4, and right 6, into left 5, right 4, long, don't cut, and right 6, don't cut, 200, 200 over bumps, 100, left 6, don't cut. And left 4, long, 250. 200 over bumps. And right 6. And left 5, 40 through dip. Right 6 over crest. 200. 200 over bumps. 80. Right 4, long. And right 6, 250, over finish to stop.